Hey, dog. I got zoom, bitch. I lost it.
I landed on top of the S14.
You're landing on top of it?
Yeah.
Just cut the power and drop that bitch. You bitch. He's like,
lay down.
He's like, bro, there's a girl here.
Lay down. What a good boy. What a good boy. All right.
He's like, don't touch me.
Roll
nigga.
over. Roll over.
He ain't rolling over.
Roll over.
Shit. I would like to see that one.
I'm gonna record it. Watch it. Dude, he does it when you guys are not here.
I ain't never seen him roll over.
Bitch.
Never has he rolled over. Noah.
He really does it.
Look, does that look like? He's like, nigga, please.
Down. Want a treat? I'll get you a treat.
He still ain't gonna roll over.
Bet you he will.
I bet he won't.
What you want to bet on?
Wait, what's up? I bet you a Corona.
A Corona. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. All right, sit, down, roll over. Come on.
Yo, yeah. Nah.
No,
What you mean?
wait, no, man.
How many commands do you gotta give him?
Can't look at it. Down. Roll over. Roll over. Come on.
Oh yeah, sick roll over, bro.
You got this.
You don't got it.
Roll over.
I want my bear.
Roll over. Dude. You're making me look bad.
Stop embarrassing me, Noah.
You're embarrassing me, boy.
Oh my god. So what's up, guys? I guess I should probably start the video. Have some pretty exciting news. I finally got my Paula. What the hell?
The one other paw.
Oh.
Other paw.
Oh. So I finally got something that I've been waiting for about 4 months, but it's so damn hot outside, I really don't even want to install it. Paulo, how hot would you say? About
It's
90?
probably like 190 today.
190?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know about 190. But I don't even know what I'm talking about.
I don't know.
I don't even know.
It's probably like what?
Because it's so
6 degrees today.
It's so damn hot that I don't know what I'm talking about. But anyways, my part came in. I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna go get what I have, bring it out here.
And just do the Infinity Gauntlet click.
Infinity.
Yeah. And then install. Done. Just like that.
I could do that.
Yeah.
I'm pretty good at that. But I have to show them what I have first.
Okay.
Okay. Noah, still not gonna roll over, right?
Oh, he will.
Hell
will.
no.
No. Down. Down.
Like, no.
He's like, nah. Sorry. You need Caesar Malone. Dog whisperer to save your ass.
This new
Paulo's car still here. You didn't see it in the last video, but he painted the rear fenders like I told him to paint them black again. So Panda S14 is back. But I'm gonna go get my damn hood.
Chinese product that he just bought. Chinese. See? On top says made in China.
Is that Chinese?
Yeah, it's ching chong ching.
Oh shit, that's racist.
Ching chong ching.
So anyways, I'm not gonna try and clickbait you guys and try to hide what I have, because I'm pretty much gonna give it away in the thumbnail. So there's no point in me trying to get the hype up to let you guys, you know, wonder what I'm getting when the thumbnail gives it away. I don't know why YouTubers do that, but I'm not gonna do that. So anyways, I got a D-Max hood about 3-4 months ago. I didn't like the way it fit. Sent it back, whatever. Ordered another hood, which is this BN hood, and it took about 4 months to get here. So now it's finally here. I'm gonna put it on. They are beast. So I guess next step would be, I'm not pulling it out because first of all, Paul's blocking the driveway, and secondly, it's too damn hot. So I'm gonna stay in the shade and work on it. Got my good old trusty 12mm, and oh wait.
Do you think it's gonna hit? You think it's gonna hit? What do you think?
I don't know. I haven't even showed him the hood yet.
Oh, true, man.
Should I have showed him the hood before I take it off?
Nah.
Take it off?
Nah, man.
Should I Honda hood prop it?
Do you have Honda hood props then?
Yeah, man, I made a video of Honda hood modding this. Hold on. Let's go all the way up. But
Oh my god, it's such a heavy hood.
it's OEM though.
I know.
Honda hood modded. Just don't let that bitch slam down.
I know. We still need to do that. Get Josh to make us something. Just a hook.
I tried bungee strapping it into my handbrake. It ended bad.
Wait, you did that?
Yeah, it was windy that it was windy that day. I didn't never tell nobody. Fuck, alright.
I got some stories for that.
I'm gonna pull this off. Just
That's why my knuckles were all fucked up at one point.
just these two 12mm bolts on this side. And then I'll Apollo do it so. Now next clip the hood will be off, I promise.
Alright.
Hood's off. It's right there. No, it's not for sale, don't ask. I guess I'll go ahead and pull the new one out and show you guys what it looks like. Because I haven't even seen it myself, to be honest.
Like just like that, bubble wrap.
Just mount it like that?
Yeah. So you can never scratch her hood. So my grandma, whenever she bought like furnitures and stuff before, she would not take off the covers or plastic, even
Same
like
way.
new cars.
For my TVs and stuff.
Yeah.
Ramos always had to peel all my plastic off and everything. We're driving crazy.
But it's completely fine.
So I'm gonna leave this on just so it just pisses him off. I need a razor blade. Starting with cardboard. God damn!
What happened? You scratched it?
There's a lot of damn bubble wrap. This is gonna take 30 minutes.
Remember, guys, he said he's not gonna fast forward or anything. Enjoy.
I'm not gonna fast forward.
It's okay. People love contents.
But just because I won't fast forward it, don't mean I won't jump cut that bitch.
That's really nice, man.
So damn hot, boy. Shit's slippery. All right.
So we got 2 hood giveaways. All you gotta do is like and subscribe. So his 20,000 subscriber or something will win something. Just kidding.
You win that.
Actually, yes, you can win that. So what's
Sick.
up, man?
Huh? I don't know.
Looks
I'm
good.
running around with no hood for a couple months.
Is that what you're gonna do?
That's goddamn right. It's car show season, baby.
Oh shit.
You guys want to see what the fuck?
Yeah, that's what I wanted to see.
Right there. Certified.
Let's see, let's see.
JDM.
Made in China.
Wait 30 fucking years for it to show up.
BN. Hey yo. That. Look at that old school mesh grill that they put on there. What do you think about those? Are you gonna keep them on?
No, I'm cutting them out. I'm doing a reverse hood vent. Try to put my supercharger for my LS1.
True.
I'm gonna go right out the hood. My
We all know you're building a V8 car.
LS the world.
Coyote though.
Alright, let's put this shit on.
Alright.
Alright, there it is. Fits 100% better than my old D-Max hood. I'm so happy with the fitment. My D-Max hood, it like went like this all the way to the bottom. But this one I'm in love with. But I'm not done. Yeah, put that grill back in. Send it.
That's it.
That's it. No zip tie, no nada?
Nah.
airflow?
Doesn't even come off, man.
Sick.
I've had it like that for the longest time.
I have these to install.
It's a ball.
But I'm gonna do this the next day because I don't want to fuck my hood up. So we're gonna get the good old fashioned body guy who's great with body work on all the cars. And who would that be, Paulo?
He loves cutting our cars. What's his name? Josh.
Josh. G37 Josh. Datsun truck Josh. Show car Josh. The body man Josh. So I don't know what to say.
Are you closing out the video?
Yeah.
Is it done?
I'll let you close it out. Peace.
Oh, that's it, guys. Stay tuned for the next episode.
Alright, next clip. I don't know what the hell next clip's gonna be, but that's all for this portion of it. So. Alright guys, well I lied. I'm actually not gonna be showing the installation of the Aero Catch hood latches. I think I just wanna have a pretty chill day with the squad, probably grill out, just relax in the Florida sun. I'm not quite sure when I'll have the next video out on the R-Beast. I still have a few things I want to do to the car, but I'm not sure if I'm going to either film it and show you guys or just do them and show you guys what I got done. But that's going to be it for the hood installation. It looks dope. And you know I can't do a video without having my good old montages, so I'm going to go ahead and do one of those now. Alright guys, I hope you like a little montage. That's gonna be it for this video. BN hood is installed. I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace.